Hi everyone, this is Veronica, and this video I will show you how to install the front seat back onto the Caboose RS stroller. So it's pretty simple. There's only a couple of steps, and I'll take you through each one right now. Okay, so what you're going to do first is align the seat brackets on the sides with the seat frame. And once you've got that pretty aligned, go ahead and push down. You're going to hear a click, and you're going to do the same on the other side. So 2 clicks. We've got the seat installed. Now let's go ahead and secure the entire seat. So first steps here are going to be locating these straps. They have a buttonhole at the very end, and there's 2 of them. So first, we're going to, there's an opening on the seat frame, and we're going to just loop the strap down into that little slot on the very end. Once you've done that, locate this peg right here, and you're simply going to loop that buttonhole, there you go, around the peg, so it'll look like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So strap goes into that very first slot here on the seat frame, around and onto the peg, like that. Okay, so now we've done the back. Next, let's go ahead and secure the crotch strap. So the crotch strap's going to be, it'll be loose, so you want to insert it through that center opening there, and then just pull it up and make sure that it's aligned flatly underneath so it doesn't come out on its own. Okay, we've done that. Let's go ahead and secure the sides. You'll see these Velcro tabs on the side. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so lastly, you're going to see these 2 elastic straps on each side, and these will go down here. I'm going to lift the stroller so you can see where these hook onto. So these will hook onto this plastic tab. There's 2 on each side. And we're just securing the seat in place is really all we're doing. It's already clicked in, and this just helps keep everything in place. And then the last step is to loop these little buttonholes around that same plastic tab. We just looped the elastic straps under. All right, so you want it to look like this. So you can see that, and we'll do the same on the other side. We're just securing this front part of the seat. And there you go. That's it. That is how you install the front seat on the Caboose RS stroller.